A production system is the Operative.One generic term for an external system that is part of the production process for which ads can be delivered. Production systems contain a communication architecture designed to transmit to external systems, and they contain the information necessary to communicate with the external systems, including what to convey, pushes versus pulls, and how often. This video provides instructions, guidelines, and considerations for your ad operations team or campaign managers to make configuration decisions for production systems. Ad operation teams and campaign managers interact directly with production systems and should make configuration decisions for production systems in Operative.One. This Quick Start Guide item is specifically for configuring production systems associated to your primary ad servers with the supported API integration with Operative.One. See the flat file production systems and third-party production systems items in the Quick Start Guide to learn how to configure primary production systems using a flat file integration and production systems for third-party ad servers. Three types of API-enabled primary production systems exist in Operative.One. A primary production system is the system owned by the publisher. For digital advertising, this would be your primary ad servers, for example, DFP or AdTech. Typically, businesses use 1 to 3 publisher production systems. A forecast source predicts when advertising can be delivered in the future. Typically, businesses use 1 to 2 forecast systems. For digital, many times the publisher production system will also serve as the forecast system, for example, DFP. A targeting provider is specific to digital. Targeting providers are systems that extend a publisher's ability to reach specific audiences. These capabilities can be modeled in Operative.One as targets so that they can be leveraged in contracts. Your business must determine how many API-enabled primary production systems it needs to create. Select and define all the API-enabled primary production systems in the form. An updated list of these primary production systems supported for API-enabled integration with Operative.One is available in this item's content. Your business will need to configure your API-enabled primary production systems in the Primary Production Systems API-enabled configuration form based on the information in this item's content. Production systems are set up in the Ad Master Model section of Operative.One's administration module. Before you fill out the Production Systems items form for the operative team to review, think about what production systems your company uses and makes sense to integrate with Operative.One. Once production systems are integrated with Operative.One, the ad operations team will interact with production systems in the Ad Master Model section of the admin module. After reviewing the Quick Start Guide and consulting with appropriate personnel in your business regarding this item, determine what configurations decisions your company should make for this item. Communicate these decisions to the operative team for review by filling out the item's Excel form. Save these changes, navigate to the form you just saved, and then click Upload. Properly configured production systems in Operative.One enable automation of trafficking, inventory management, delivery reporting, and campaign optimization.